The driver information system controls offer complete control over your audio and navigation system. However, you can also interact with the system using the steering wheel controls, voice commands, and the head unit keys. In this section, we'll provide an overview of the head unit keys. To turn the system on, press the volume knob. You'll see the map screen, and the last media choice you had selected will play. Turn the knob to adjust the volume. If you press the radio knob once, it shuts off the radio or any media currently playing. See how it gives you a message at the top of the screen? But notice that the nav system still displays. If you press the knob again, it will turn the audio system back on. If you want to turn off the system entirely, press and hold the knob. Let's turn the system back on and move on to the FM/AM key. The FM/AM key brings up the radio bands. There are two FM modes, FM1 and FM2, and one AM. Pressing the key repeatedly cycles through the modes. The SiriusXM hard key brings up SiriusXM satellite radio. Sirius gives you access to over 140 channels, including commercial-free music, sports, news, talk, entertainment, and more, all in one place. The media key allows you to bring up and control CDs, the jukebox, USB flash drives loaded with music or pictures, an auxiliary device, Pandora Internet Radio, and streaming Bluetooth audio. Pressing the media key repeatedly will cycle through the available choices. The word available is key. What I mean by this is that only media sources inserted or connected to the system will show on the display as you cycle through the choices. So if I take out the CD, for example, CD won't be an option when I cycle through the media choices. The same is true of the others. Only those that are inserted or connected will show up. The seek and track arrow keys here function as seek forward and seek back. For example, if you're listening to FM in tune mode and you press the forward arrow key, it will advance to the next station with high quality reception. If you press and hold, it will advance until you release the button. The back arrow works the same way. The operation of the arrow keys is similar for the other modes. In Sirius, the arrows will advance to the next channel. And in USB, iPod, or one of the other media modes, pressing a forward arrow will advance to the next track. In certain modes, if you press and hold an arrow, it works to fast forward or rewind. Let's close out this section with a look at the tune knob. Turning the tune knob will advance through radio frequencies, channels if you're on SiriusXM, and through tracks, files, folders, etc. if you're using one of the various media choices. To make a selection, press the tune knob. Remember, though, that anything that takes attention and focus away from the safe operation of a vehicle, or which is not permissible by law, should never be used during the operation of the vehicle. For more information, check the owner's materials that came with your K900.